Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We're starting in a comfortable seated position. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Rest your hands as you bring your right ear to your right shoulder. And now drop your head back, left ear to left shoulder, and chin to chest. Let's repeat that head circle one more time. Switch directions. Let's come back to center as you take some big shoulder circles to the back. And now to the front. Relax your shoulders as you reach your arms forward with your palms touching. Open your arms wide as you drop your head back. Close your hands together as you tuck your chin in towards your chest. Again, you open your arms wide, drop your head back, allow yourself to release, and then close your hands, tuck your chin. One more time, we open the arms really wide and close the hands together. Lower your hands in front of you for a forward fold. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Slowly make your way back up. And let's take some wrist and some hand circles. Take your time. Switch directions. Begin to wrap your arms around yourself, giving yourself a big hug. And you can stay still, or you can just rock from side to side. Take this moment to honor yourself for showing up for yourself today. Let go of anything that you might be holding on to. Allow yourself to release. Know that you are safe, and you are loved, and you are worthy. Take a big inhale in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Bring your hands to heart center for one more big inhale in through your nose. And let it out.